Hopdeals.com, authority equipment remarketing specialist. Pleased to offer reference number 58. It's 2008 DAF LF45.160. The 7.5 ton Euro 5 truck has a fuller 800 gallon tipping medium volume jetpack. It's a 50-50 split with a Fratisoli 36 gallon a minute jetting pump feeding the hydraulic 3/4 inch hose in the rear. It has a full opening back door with manual clamps and is a tipping tank. It's come to us direct from the Water Authority. It's covered 242,000 kilometres and is tested till the end of January 2020. If you'd like further details on this little machine, please contact Hop Deals on 01430 434 800. Email us sales@hopdeals.com, or why not check out our website hopdeals.com for all the latest stock.